This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the badge on the radiator grille, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and then rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and remove the key. Slacken and remove the 3 screws securing the passenger side windscreen cowl panel. Note that the centre screw also secures the heat shield. The passenger side cowl panel must now be lifted upwards at its outer end to release its locating bead from the grooved strip which is clipped under the base of the windscreen glass. Remove the pollen filter from the housing. Remove any debris and wipe clean the filter housing. The new filter is marked with arrows to indicate the direction of airflow. The arrows must point to the rear of the vehicle. Manoeuvre the filter into position in the housing, ensuring it's correctly seated. Offer the cowl panel back into place, clipping it first into the driver's side cowl panel at the inner end. The panel must now be positioned so that its locating bead sits into the groove at the base of the windscreen. This may require some trial and error before it fits correctly. The panel may also have to be pressed down gently along its length to locate the bead into the groove. Force should not be used this close to the windscreen glass, obviously. Refit the cowl panel retaining screws and tighten them securely. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock. Fold over the badge.